ACS Textiles Bangladesh Limited, a name emblematic of trust and superior quality in home textiles, is a 100% British investment. As a state-of-the-art, composite manufacturing facility with weaving, dyeing, printing, finishing, and packaging services, all offered under a single expansive roof, ACS stands as one of the largest of its kind in the industry. ACS Textiles is a quality-conscious company reliant on ethically sound, internationally recognized policies. We produce top-quality bedding and linen sheets ranging from 200 to 400 thread count per kale sheets, featuring also high-quality satin and duvets with Egyptian and organic cotton. ACS Textiles is a trailblazer in the textile industry, whether it be seersucker fabrics, jacquard, or intricate embroidery. Our facilities are equipped to produce the most innovative textiles of our times. Staying true to our name in quality and innovation, we offer a wide range of towel products. ACS Textiles BD Limited has come a long way since its establishment in 2004 and over the years has built a global reputation for excellence, if matched by others, then only by a few in the global textile network. The manufacturing facility employs over 6,000 people and averages at about 30,000 pieces of superior quality textile products per day. Our products have found their market in European countries, such as Italy, France, and the UK. Our influence reaches the markets of Scandinavian Europe with our design studio in Sweden. 2008 saw ACS expanding its export clientele to include Australia and North America. Our excellence is recognized not only by our customers, but by official international authorities for quality standards. Okeotex Standard 100 certification further endorses our unswerving commitment to quality.